Welcome to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon Grace and I'll be showing you this high-low circle dress. It's a flared dress, beautiful for both children and adults. We'll be doing a bit of calculation here. Now the front length is different from the back length. Front is 15, the back is 22. The side is what we need to get. Now to work on this, we need to subtract the front from the back. That is 22 minus 15 inches. We have 7 inches. So 7 inches divided by 2, we need to divide it by 2 so we can share it. We have 3.5 inches. Our 3.5 inches, we'll add it to the front and that will give us 18.5 inches. Or when we subtract our 3.5 from the back length, we still get 18.5 inches. So the side now is 18.5 inches. Now, how do we fold our fabric? Now, I'm going to fold my fabric in 4 places. Just like this. I need to get equal length first. The length I have here is 22, so I need to get my 22 inches as well. So I can fold out a triangle shape, just like this. And I'm still going to maintain that 22 inches length to cut. So I'll be taking 22 inches first. I'm making this very simple and trust me, you're gonna like it because it's going to be very simple. So we're going to trace this out first. Good. Now I'm going to unfold. From what we have here, we need to get the front, we need to get the back, and we also need to get the side. This part is folded into 2, and you discover this part is closed. So this is going to be the sides. This is going to be the side, and here we have the back. So that when I open, this same part is going to be the front. Now, we have the side length to be 18.5 inches. So I'm going to take my 18.5 inches like this. And all I just want to do is to notch. Now, this is going to be the back. And this is going to be the front, like I said. And the back length is 22 inches. So we have our 22 inches already. So I need to get the front. The front length is 15 inches. 15 inches. So this is my 15 inches. Now I need to connect this 15 inches. From my 15 inches, I need to connect to the side of 18.5 and the same thing on the other side. So we're going to try to get a curve shape just like this. Okay, so you can always, this is 15. You can make this 16, 16.5, 17, 17.5, 18, then 18.5. You can go like that as well to make it easier. And if you can find your way, you can go ahead. Now, I'm going to cut just one side so as to have equal sides. I'm going to stop at the middle. Now here I'm cutting only the upper fabric. Just this fabric is what I'm cutting, not the 2. Now to make this easier, I'll still be going back to cutting the other parts of our dress. Now to make this easier, I'm going to the back now. This is the middle back, the length of 22 inches, and we are going to connect to meet our 18.5 inches too. So to do that, we're coming like this to meet with the middle point. So we can go like, just trace it out like this. I'm also going to stop at the middle. Good. Now we can turn or we can fold so that we can trace out the back first. I'm cutting out the back. Just be sure. And yeah. So I'm going to fold backward in order to cut the fronts. So to complete the fronts, you can still fold. So I'm going to trace out what we already have on the other side, just like this. Excuse me. So that now we have 18.5 inches, we have 22 inches for the back, and we have 15 inches for the front. Now what we're going to do is to bring out the neck design and the sleeve. To do that, we're going to get the width, the neck width, and I'll be working with the measurement of 2.5 inches. I'm also going to notch, and this is the middle. I'm going to notch out as well. I'll be unfolding it and fold the other way. Now I'm going to repeat what I just did. This is our folded material. We have 18.5 inches, we have length of 22 inches, and we have the front of 15 inches. So I brought out the neck width just like this, which is 2.5 inches. And I notch, and I also notch this middle. Now I need to unfold this, and fold the other way around. Just like this. So now I can fold into two, like this. So from what we have, This is front, this is back, and this is the 18.5 inches side. So we need to bring out the depths. These are 2.5. You'll see the notch once you fold following the steps. We'll bring out the depth measurement of I'll be working with 2.5 inches for the front. So I'm going to connect like so. That's a round shape. The front alone is what I'm cutting out first. I've gone the other way, but I need you to see this clearly. Just like this. Good. And the back length, I'll be working with 1 inch. The depth, 1 inch. Now the front is going to have a slit, and that is the length. I'm taking the length of 3 inches. You can reduce and you can add to this. The neck width and depth as well, you can reduce and you can add to it. Now, like I said, this is the side, so I'm going to take the shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurement, this is for a small girl and a little girl. I'll be using the shoulder measurement of 5.5 inches. 5.5 inches, and I'll just notch both front and back, and I'm going to take from there, I'm going to take the length of 3 inches. Now the length of 3 inches means the round sleeve of 6 inches by the time I open it up. So if your round sleeve is 10, you can increase this to 5 inches. That will give us 10 inches. So I'm going to open this for both front and back. Now we're going to unfold back. By the time I'm done, we have a belt, we have our dress ready, just like this. The front, the back, and the armhole and the neck. So, if this is your first time on our channel, kindly click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share this video. Leave your comments in the comment section.